Greetings to everyone. Today we are going to learn about optics. In optics, we are going to learn lasers. So, in this session, we will be learning about the definition of laser and how light is emitted, the processes of absorption and emission, the background physics lying behind the emission of laser, and what is meant by population inversion and what is pumping, and what are the components of a laser system and what are the types of it. So by definition, laser means light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. So a laser is a device that generates light by a process called stimulated emission. So laser devices generate a coherent beam of monochromatic light. So in order to generate or designate a light as a laser light, it should satisfy these two conditions, that is coherent and it should be monochromatic. Coherent is achieved by using optical system, and then monochromaticity is nothing but giving out one color of light, and a coherent beam resulted in which all the photons should be in phase with each other. So whenever a material is irradiated by an external source, usually three processes have the possibilities to happen. The first process is absorption, second one is spontaneous emission, and the last one is stimulated emission. So let us see what is absorption is. So absorption is always stimulated. So the difference between stimulated and spontaneous is nothing but, we all know that spontaneous means it should happen by its own without any trigger. Stimulated is the process which happens with the help of a trigger. So absorption has to happen with the help of a trigger, so it is always stimulated. So let us consider an element with two energy states, E1 and E0. E0 being the ground state and E1 being the higher energy state. So let us consider that it has one atom in the ground state. So when it is irradiated by a light, a photon of energy h nu, this atom in the ground state absorbs the energy from the photon and it goes to the higher energy level. So that energy level must have a difference in energy equal to the energy of the photon. So this is what we call it as absorption. And with this we'll end this session and meet you again in the next session. Thank you.